pneumatic one. This one is the most basic one. More bigger one. So this MJ274. Hi. Now we're showing you the pneumatic one, pneumatic cloth saw. Hi, Miss or Mr. Marshall. What would working machine you are interested in or you are finding? This machine mainly used to cut the wood crossly. So this one can cut 100 times 110 millimeters size. This one is bigger. This one called MJ276. 276 can cut more bigger wood. As you can see, the wood table First of all, your working table is bigger and inner size motor is bigger too. 276 use 7.5 kilowatts motor and 274 use 5.5. So 7.5 can cut more bigger wood. So 276 can maximum cut 540 millimeters. This is the first one. Okay. The first one, the maximum width you can cut is 500. So the height, maximum accessible height of this machine is 200. So when the accessible height is 200, the width will be maximum. So this is the maximum size of this machine. And the difference between 2006 and 2004 also have this. The foot switch change it from the bottom to the up. This one is bigger and also his kinematic control panel is more bigger. Here we add two more buttons that is to control the shoulder up and down speed. The other four is the same as before. And also you can see the feeding table is bigger than the 274. The 274 with feeding table width is 340 millimeters, and the 276 feeding table size is 660 millimeters. It's 300 millimeters wider, and also the length of the feeding table the same. 601 is CNC cut-off saw. Now 601 is CNC cut-off saw. The biggest difference from CNC cut-off saw and the normal pneumatic cut-off saw is the feeding rate. CNC cut-off saw can feed by the servo motor, but for the pneumatic cut-off saw, you can only feed by yourself, by your own manual. And also, this feeding is also automatic, right? And if you want to cut different size, you want to get some different size from the machine. With the normal one, you can only measure and then you manually move the wood. But this one, you don't need to. You just put all the size you want in the machine. That can maximum put 10 different size. 10 different size into this middle. Then the feeding will already calculate and it will feed it automatically. And for this wood, for this machine, maximum processing size is 100 times 200. 100 times 200. This is PLC control. This one is PLC control. And they also have some button to move this machine. This is the electric box. Separately from the main one. And also here you can see the inner wood of the machine. Here the area we cut closer to see the distance. The main area. The main area of the machine. We have two pressing devices, P1 and 2. This is two pressing device that he can press the wood so that the wood will not go away from the cutting area. And also we have a bottom pressing device to press the machine. And I also have a luxury pressing device. This is all controlled by the cylinder, air cylinder. So that's the little design of this machine. And for this work, this machine we use 7.5 kilowatts motor. It's also powerful. About the feeding table, before we just said that pneumatic cut-off saw is 1.2 meters long, right? This CNC cut-off saw, we can customize from 2, 4, 6 meters or longer. So now we are still seeing the 4
4 meters feeding table. If you need longer or shorter, we can customize. If you're interested in this machine, you can leave your message or ask some question in the live show. Leave your message to our channel or subscribe our channel. We have live show weekly. Every week we have 1 or 2 live show. So this is CNC cutoff saw. About saw, we have this one, this folding sliding table saw. This folding sliding table saw is software installed. This folding table saw can be folded as her name. This folding sliding table saw can cut 45 to 90 degrees. And this board can be taken off. Right now it's take down, so when the board take down, you can sew a little bigger board. And when it's installed, we can use this little board can show what final size of your board. We have 2 on it. And also here we bring some hole for the rotor. So if you buy an affection rotor here, after you sew, you can close here, do some holes here. Here is the lock. Here's the lock. Now we can. And when you want to move the sliding, just lock here, and then the table will not move. And here the little board, this is the separate right board. This one can be moved. It is also locked right now. And also here, also can be moved. So if you need to cut a more wider and more longer board, you can also cut. And here is a cover to prevent your get harm. And this little table can be taken off. See? Can be taken off. So when you move the machine, you move this folding sliding table saw, you can take all of it off. And it's very quite easy. The motor we use for this machine is dustless. it's dustless, and you can see there is a dust bag below the machine. So this is the folding sliding table saw. After we cut off the wood, if we want the wood be rectangular, is that right? To be a square wood, to be a perfect square wood, every corner is 90 degrees. You need to use this multi-rib saw. This multi-rib saw is saw the square wood into many pieces. So this one maximum.
This model 1420 height 18 meters. The minimum final size you can get is 10 millimeters width. So we can maximum get about 18 pieces at a time. At this control panel, we can separately control the everything. This machine is so complicated that but it's also very easy to use. We can control the bigger wheel, and I can control the saw shaft, and here we also need to get the air and the power. We connect the air here, connect the power that way. And outfitting side. Outfitting. So for this machine, we use usually 15 kilowatts motor. If you want to process the bigger wood, like you saw the big wood every day, 8-hour time, you should use 18 kilowatts and change the motor. And working day is feeding wheel up and down, you control the manual by this handle wheel. We also have a lubricate device, lubricate oil pump. And every day we use the machine. Before we use the machine and after we use the machine, every day we need to clean up all the dust. So this is about the cleaning tape, about the multi-rib saw. After I introduce the saw, this is also a sliding table saw. This sliding table saw is CNC one. He controlled by the PLC. We also have a normal one, like don't have
don't have the pressing device and don't have the PLC. This one model is MJ453. MJ453. You can see the final word of it. The effect, it's beautiful, right? And it have no fur. And also this side. This model can cut 45 to 30 degrees. And the green, this one and the other one, it has the pressing device and the PLC. PLC can control the machine that you put up the size, put the size into the PLC, and the green ones will automatically start. For this machine, we use 1.5 kilowatts. This one is full switch. We don't put the switch on the table. We put it on the floor. Run by the full switch. If you put the full switch on the table, it's very dangerous. Here, the plan is to control the cutting degree. And the cutting device, here we use the air inlet control. The sliding table here, we have a ruler so that you can, when you use the manual method, you can use the little board to measure what final word you want. So the control panel also is separate, have many buttons, and it can separately control every part of this machine. This one so that our camera is controlled down here. There is the camera here. So we also have a look mesh that. For the processing size of this machine, the lens of this one is 2.8 meters. If you customize, if you want to customize by the one is not properly, we can customize 3 meters or 3.2 meters. About height, the system height is 80 meters. So this is the CNC sliding table saw. We also have a small one. Small one sliding table saw. This is very tiny, right? This one can only saw like 880. Oh, sorry, not 800. 680 millimeters. 618 millimeters long. So this is the smallest sliding table saw. Now after the saw part, after the saw serial, we come to the planer serial. We come to the planer serial. So first we start from the small one. This is a small planner. This one is the double cycle, and this one is 4 and the piping is single cycle. We also have surface planner. The surface planner. The surface planner can plan a longer wood. This one can plan a longer wood. Like now we're showing you the machine with 1.8 meters long. But this surface planner can only control by manual. Like when you feed the wood, you need to move the wood manually. But it can also install addiction feeder, automatic feeder. But we don't have a feeder right now, so if you're interested in surface planner plus the feeder, you can leave a message to our channel or ask the question in our live show. Our seller will answer you. Remember to subscribe me. Our live show weekly. We have live show weekly. So this is surface planner and a small single side planner and small double side planner. After we introduce the small double side planner, here we come to the big double side planner. This one has 450 millimeters big, and the height is about 180 millimeters. It's bigger, it's heavy duty one, so the control panel also is complicated than the small then the feeding device will automatically go up or go down. So this controls the feeding device, and here you can control the feeding speed. Just turn this one. Normally you don't move because if you don't know, like softwood you can speed up, and the hardwood you need to speed down. If you don't know, you can ask our seller. Our after sales is 20 hours online. We can service you with video or the word, teach you to run this, but to use this machine. And after the feeding stage, you use the upper spindle and lower spindle. I'm sorry, this is the feeding stop and stop. And here is the lower spindle and upper spindle. Very good, right? And here we have a roller. We have a roller to help you to move the heavy wood. The roller. And for this one, we also have rotated oil pump. The oil pump automatically pump. You can set the time here, and then it will automatically pump to the spindle. And here is the electric box. But this electric box you need 12 volts because our key is on the 12 volt. If you need the 12 volts, so only have the key you can open this electric box, because you don't, when you open, if you open any electric box of the machine will be very dangerous. For the motor, our upper spindle will use 7.5 kilowatts, and the bottom spindle will use 5.5 kilowatts. These bolts, power bolts will bend the wood, no matter the softwood or the hardwood. So this is the heavy-duty double-side fan. Okay, after double side planer, we come to the four side planer. We come to the four side planer. This model is NV4158. A means it's don't have a cover. But we have a cover with another model. B. The last capital is B. So A model is without the cover. And that's the name. You have four signals. Like this signal is bottom, then to the right, left, and bottom, and the upper signal. The maximum potential size of this machine is first width. The width is 150 millimeters. The height is 8 millimeters. It has four signals, so it also has four set feeding and feeding them down in the stand with the iron machine. And also, some of you must notice that the feeding wheel is different from the first feeding wheel and the last feeding wheel is different. That was for the start of the first, we need to grip the machine, grip the wood to let it flow smoothly and powerful. And after that, the wood will be built close there, right? And we don't want to hurt the wood, so we use the little. So this is for the line of the process of feeding wood. And also the preparation parts here. Each of us in the position can be moved. But normally the bottom and the right we never use the left and the upper single, because the left single we control the processing pace of the machine, and upper single we control the processing height of the machine. And feeding wheel is controlled by this single. So it's powerful. Each single motor directly connects. Check the back of the machine. Now you see the motor. Very big, so it's very powerful. So each spindle have. Hi, welcome. Oh, you're looking for the MJ276 model one, right? We have 276 regular one. You're looking for the 276B. That one can process a bigger size than 276. With the B, the saw block have a wider sawing area. Please send me a message. Our seller will answer you. Okay, we already we already show you the saw serial, the plan serial. Now we come to the edge banding machine. This edge banding machine, we can come closer to see every part of it. It's mini and edge banding machine. It's mini one, so it's very tiny. So it's very tiny. So this part is pre-milling. So first the pre-milling. Now we come to the gluing, and the end trimming, and the fine trimming, and scraping, and last one is buffing, also called polishing. This one model is F600. This model is 600. This one have pre-milling. This one have pre-milling function, and we have a smaller one. Smaller model is called F500. This one is 600, and we have a 500, and we also have 800. 600 means he have 6 functions. 500 means he have 5 functions. 800 means it have 8 functions. So the 600 we have pre-milling, and for the 500 we without the pre-milling. So it's 500. So it's 5 function. And the 800 we have pre-milling, and we have corner trim, and we have a flat scraping. 3 more than the F500. Back to the 600. This one we're showing you is 600 edge band machine. Hi, welcome. Hi, welcome, Mrs. Amelia. If you need pneumatic cutoff saw, please leave a message. Our seller will contact you. So back to the edge band machine. This one can process the maximum panel thickness is 50 millimeters, and the panel length is much bigger than the 150 millimeter, and the panel width must be bigger than the 120. So this is 600 edge band machine. Now that's all for today's live show. We will have next live show tomorrow or after tomorrow. So this week we will have 2 live shows. Today is the first live show on this week. We will see you tomorrow or after tomorrow. Now, that's all for today's introduction. We'll see you tomorrow. See you next time live show. Bye bye.